He is a monk. He is a monk. She is a nun. She is a nun. He is a pilot. He is a pilot. He is a teacher. He is a teacher. They are students. They are students. They are doctors. They are doctors. She is a nurse. She is a nurse. He is a taxi driver. He is a taxi driver. They are farmers. They are farmers. He is a cricketer. He is a cricketer. He is a footballer. He is a footballer. He is a painter. He is a painter. Thank you everyone for watching this video till the end. তো দেখা হচ্ছে নেক্সট ভিডিওতে এরকম আরো ইন্টারেস্টিং কোনো একটা টপিক নিয়ে। তো আজকে ভিডিও এই পর্যন্ত। টাটা, বাই বাই।